All right, we're back. We're back live again. Hopefully audio should be working. Yeah, I must have had an issue there when the phone call came in. That's the only thing with going live on the phone all the time, is you're going to have some issues with that. So hopefully this video gets back out to the people and we get some people back in here, guys. So let me know that you guys can hear this as you guys come in. We should be ready, should be back and going here. Smash the like button. We're back. We're back. We're back. I mean, crazy, crazy volatile day, to say the least. The 10-minute chart is just insane. The last 20 minutes, we went from 64,000. Last half hour, we went from 64,000, swicked all the way down to 58,800. Crazy, crazy drop, but it is getting eaten back up. We dropped all the way down to 58.8, and now we're at 60,400. So we're getting eaten back up here. No matter what, the volume, everything we're seeing here today is bullish. I mean, we're making these crazy moves before the halving, which is insane, right? Shout out to all the new people that are coming here on the stream, all the new people, new faces. Make sure you guys subscribe down there. Hit the like button for us. Definitely helps us out. We're getting a ton of new faces coming in. Appreciate you guys so much. We are bouncing back up. Bitcoin hit 64,000 on a huge wick up and a big liquidation event. Waiting to see what's going on with Coinbase. Are you guys still having issues there? What's going on, everybody? What's going on with Coinbase? Yeah, it's they're not saying anything as of right now. Let's see if they're saying anything on X. Hold on, let's see here. No official word yet from Coinbase, I don't think. Coinbase app is currently down. It's showing zero balance. And many people are upset here, talking about people buying Bitcoin at 64,000 are trapped above. Talk about manipulation. I don't know exactly if that's what's happening here, but this Coinbase malfunction is real. I had an issue. I sent $4,000 of USDT from MetaMask over there. Have not seen it come back. I'm still refreshing Coinbase here. Guys, I'll keep you posted here. But this is why you don't keep a ton of money over here on centralized exchanges, right? I've got some on there that I actively trade, but obviously, you don't want to keep all your funds on a centralized exchange, especially on days like this where volatility is crazy. Yeah, many people chiming in here. But we have heard nothing from Coinbase support yet. Still waiting to hear anything from Coinbase support. So we're still waiting to hear from Coinbase support. What a wild day in the market, man. Wild day in the market. I don't know, man. This is it's interesting. We're trying to make sense of all this. Bitcoin is climbing back. Bitcoin is back over 61,000, guys. So that's weird. Bitcoin's climbing right back up. We were literally at 61.5 before we had just a huge burst in the last half hour or so. We spiked all the way up to 64. That dip is getting eaten up right now, though. The dip is getting eaten up right now. We've got a great 10-minute candle working back up. Great 5-minute candle working back up that we're watching here. We're back over 61,000. Talk about volatility. We started the day under 60K, go all the way to 64, dial all the way back to 58 and some change. Now we bounce back up to 61. Now we got this Coinbase issue happening. But we're here for it. We're trying to make sense of it. I got you covered here. As soon as we hear something out of Coinbase, we're going to be covering that. We're covering everything here as much as we can. I've got to get... Got to get this plugged in here. Need to get all plugged in. Let's see here. We're going to put this phone on the charger so we don't miss out on any of that. There we go. Okay, should be good there. All right. No word out of Coinbase yet, guys. No word out of Coinbase. So we're still waiting to see what the heck's going on here. Coinbase support, nothing. Regular Coinbase accounts, nothing. Coinbase Exchange, nothing. So everybody's balances, it would be nice to know right now if our balances are safe on Coinbase right now. At least we get that. Same shit's happening on Mexi. Hold on, I have a little bit on Mexi. Let me see what's going on over there. So apparently the same thing's happening over on Mexi. Let me see here. Yeah, Mexi is the same. I got the same issue here on Mexi. This is why you need to hold most of your funds off of centralized exchanges and in your own hands. I have a little bit on both just because I'm actively trading stuff, but I don't keep long-term holds on there. Thank God, because this would freak you out. I think the funds are safe. I don't think it's time to freak out. I think it's probably some type of manipulation by exchanges. I don't know. We got to wait and see. We got to see here. Coinbase is down. Mexi's down. Any other exchanges out there that you guys know about or that you can see? I probably should change the title of this. I don't know if I can change the title of this or not. It's okay. Mexi for me is not okay. Let me see here, though. Let me refresh. Okay, now my Mexi balance is showing up. Wealth symbol, Index, Coinbase, same. Mexi's okay for me. Is everything crashing? Not really crashing. I mean, we had a huge burst. It's just super volatile right now. Everything is just super volatile. Crazy volatile right now. Mexi's okay, yeah. Bitcoin back up to... Everything took a big drop there. Caspa took a big hit. But people are buying up these dips pretty quickly. Bitcoin back up over 61,000. I mean, crazy volatility right now. This is insane. I'm on the 5-minute look here for Bitcoin. It's just insane what's happened here in the last hour. But we got our second green candle bouncing now. 61,500. Bitcoin's running a little bit here, guys. Bitcoin's running back up. 61.5. Guys, if you would, hit the like button on the stream. Only 20 likes and 260 people here. If you could take 2 seconds and smash the like button, it definitely helps us out. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're here every single day. We've been doing these live streams for like 4 or 5 days. They've been awesome. Tons of new faces, new people coming in. Today's just a crazy whirlwind of a day. But we're here all day for you, all the time. So, Coinbase crashed. Yes, Coinbase has crashed. Binance is okay. We're getting news that Binance is okay. Went long on Bitcoin on that dip. Nice. On the dip down to 58 something, 58.6. It went down to 58.3. It went down to 58.3. That's crazy. Unbelievable. We got a worldwide rally happening right now, guys, that we are experiencing. Unbelievable what we're witnessing right now. Yeah, many people can't see their balance on Coinbase, guys. It is an issue that we're experiencing across the board. There are some other exchanges. Coinbase down. Yes, Coinbase is still down. I sent money from MetaMask to Coinbase. Never showed up, but on the blockchain, it's there. So I'm hoping we're okay there. We're still waiting to find out what's going on with Coinbase, guys. Waiting to find out what's going on here. Still no word. I'm checking feverishly what's going on with Coinbase. If you guys see something, let me know. If you guys see something here, let me know. Many people reporting a So still no word out of Coinbase. Still no word. Still no word out of Coinbase. We're still waiting to get word here. Nothing out of Coinbase support just yet. Their last tweet was August 28th. Coinbase Exchange, nothing. And regular Coinbase account, nothing. I mean, we see this happen a lot in bull markets, but this is not good. This is not a good thing. We're trying to figure out what's going on here. My assets still are not showing up here on Coinbase. Coinbase is reporting an outage. Where are we seeing that? Have they said that officially somewhere? I don't see that. I don't see where they're reporting the outage here. Is it coming officially through email here or what? Let's see. I don't have any emails from Coinbase. I never got my email. You know when you successfully make a transaction, you immediately get an email? I successfully transferred funds from MetaMask over to Coinbase, and the funds never appeared, nor did I ever get an email. And then I went, and my balance was still there. My balance on my other cryptos was still there. 5 minutes later, my balances were gone. And this is why we always preach, keep your money off of centralized exchanges. I have some money on centralized exchanges simply because I'm actively trading, but my long-term holds are off centralized exchanges. Yeah, we have no evidence as to what happened yet with Coinbase. There's nothing yet what happened with Coinbase here. Bitcoin's crazy volatile right now. It's all over the damn place. It's been a crazy day. No matter what, this is fun. These are days we love in the industry, right? I mean, these are exciting. There are things going on. I got a meeting in an hour, and I feel like I'm not even in the headspace to do this thing because of what's going on here. Crazy. We're trying to figure out what's going on. Still no balance showing up on Coinbase for me. Appreciate all the new people joining the channel too, guys. We got a ton of new people joining up. Make sure you guys subscribe down below if you haven't already. Definitely join us. Definitely join us. So, Coinbase's outage is still topic of discussion here. And we are changing that up right now. All right, so we are going to change it up here, guys. Sorry, I got to change a couple different things here. Let's see here. Coinbase crash, Coinbase outage, Coinbase news. Crypto news today. Sorry, guys, I'm just doing a couple tags here. Oh, man. Crazy. Crazy. All right, there we go. So let's see if we can find anything. What's going on here? Appreciate you guys for being with us here. We're trying to break this thing down. Funds are safe. Just got an announcement on my Coinbase. Okay, let me see if I got something similar here. Did you get an email? I have not got an email or anything. Let me refresh here. Okay. Site degraded performance. We are aware that some users may see a zero balance and may experience errors in buying or selling. Our team is investigating this issue and will provide an update shortly. Your assets are safe. Okay, so funds are safe. Just got the announcement too here on Coinbase. Funds stay there safe. Some type of thing broke Coinbase again with all of the surge of activity, the buying pressure, what have you here. But again, the alert that we're getting right now, guys, reads that we are aware that some may see a zero balance and may experience errors in buying or selling. Our team is investigating this issue and will provide an update shortly. They're saying your assets are safe right now. So we're trying to see if there's any other official word. Okay, we have an official word, and now we can track the incident. So there's an official word coming out from Coinbase support. We're going to be tracking this right here. So if you guys want to stay locked in here, we're going to be tracking this. I mean, here's the thing. This can't happen every time Bitcoin rips, you know? I mean, this can't happen every time Bitcoin just rips. A lot of people saying bull run confirmed and all. I mean, yeah, that's great, but this is not good for the space in general. Okay, now wait a minute. My funds just arrived. I just got the email, so I sent money from MetaMask to Coinbase an hour and a half ago. It says the money just arrived. I got an email. You just received, I sent $4,000. You just received your $4,000. Okay. That's good. And I saw it on the blockchain that the money was there. But I'm still getting no balance yet on Coinbase. But it looks like all funds are safe, guys. I know a lot of people freaking out. Hello, everybody. A lot of people coming in here. What's going on? Smash the like button. We're here breaking down the markets, talking about this Coinbase issue, talking about the overall markets, crazy volatility. What a day. Holy shit. Right? Holy shit. This has been wild. But there's a lot of good here. There's some bad. There's just a lot of things happening right now. We're trying to stay even keeled. On one hand, the price action has been phenomenal. The institutional demand has been phenomenal. What happened with Coinbase today? Not good. We got to figure this out. But it's also a reminder, don't keep a lot of your money on centralized exchanges. Only keep money you're actively trading there. But for those of you who do have money on Coinbase, the official word right now, we are aware that some users may see a zero balance and may experience errors in buying or selling. Their team is investigating the issue. We'll provide an update shortly. Your assets are safe. Now, Coinbase support had this to say on Twitter. We are aware that some users may see a zero balance across their Coinbase accounts, may experience errors in buying or selling. Our team is investigating this. We'll provide an update shortly. Your assets are safe. You can track this incident at status.coinbase.com. So we are tracking that as well. They are currently investigating all delayed sends receives for assets on the Ethereum network. Okay, so they are talking about how there was a delay on the Ethereum network. That would explain why my $4,000 never showed up for an hour and a half and I was freaking the hell out. Most users are seeing a zero balance. They're also aware, okay, so there's two issues happening. The zero balance issue, and then there's a ton of delays between sends and receives for assets on the Ethereum network. That's any ERC20 crypto. They are currently fixing it. And the funds remain secure. They said our assets are safe. Funds remain secure. So that is really good. But this is another reminder why you need to get your crypto on a ledger, offline. Most of the crypto that you hold long-term should not be held on a centralized exchange, guys. Cryptos that you actively trade, okay, keep it on a centralized exchange, but just know that especially when things heat up like this in the cryptocurrency markets, like they are today, when volume is going insane, that this could happen. This could happen at any time. Interestingly enough, no, it doesn't say it was a day ago. The errors that I got, Boca, are both from today. Ledger Nano X is my favorite personally. But I also have a Arculus cold storage wallet as well. Blood pressure going up. Yeah, crazy. No way, man, is a setup. No way, man, is a setup. Coinbase has been experiencing technical difficulties when BTC pumps since 2017. Learn your lesson. Yes. Heart drop looking at the balance. Yeah, all is good. We're okay. Yeah, accounts are at zero, guys. Funds are safe right now. They are explaining that funds are safe. So again, they are investigating the issue right now. They're aware that some users may see a zero balance across their Coinbase accounts. Mine say 0 too. Okay, I'm experiencing it too. And our team, they say, is investigating this issue. We'll provide an update shortly. They're saying all assets are safe though right now. But again, reminder, this can happen when things heat up in the markets. We've got over 1,000 people with us. Welcome in. Appreciate you guys joining us. It was a crazy day in the market, all positive until this happened, but it's okay. We're here. We're staying even keel. We're staying ahead of the news. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. We're always ahead of things, getting out in front. We're always live streaming, bringing you up to speed on all the latest and greatest news and information around the blockchain. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button for us. We got over 1,000 people, but only 113 likes. That makes 0 sense, by the way. So, again, 2 issues we're dealing with. Zero balance on the Coinbase side of things, and also delays in sends and receives. So, it took me about an hour and a half to see the message that my funds finally got here, although they're still not showing up in my account, obviously, because all the balances are zeros. So, dealing with 2 issues, guys, and that's what's happening right now. Now, in terms of the price of Bitcoin, we are bouncing still in the 5-minute and in the 3-minute. We're bouncing off lows. We wicked down all the way to 58,000 and some change after topping out at 64K. Now we've bounced off of the 58 and some change all the way back up to 62, and currently we're at 61.4. Crazy volatility right now, what we're seeing in the markets. As for the altcoin market, what we're seeing here across the board, Arweave continues to be dominating. Arweave in the decentralized storage area. We've talked about this in many of our live streams. If this is your first live stream like this that you're finding on YouTube Shorts, we've been here for 4 or 5 days. We're going to do these a lot. We got over 1,000 people with us right now. They've been growing like crazy. It's because we're staying out in front of this market. Arweave in the decentralized storage area, this whole area, really gearing up. We've got Filecoin, which is an OG. We've got Arweave. We've got Siacoin. Arweave is my favorite. I said it 2 days ago. Absolutely loving the big burst we're seeing there, up 53%. Pepe has been crushing it. Aptos, new layer 1. How about Aptos? Over $12.32 right now, up 25%. These new layer 1s. We're looking for these gems that are going to do what Solana did back in 2021. Aptos is one of the 3 I've mentioned over and over and over and over again. Coinbase is back. Okay, so for me, Coinbase is not back. Yeah, everybody freaking out that Coinbase, their account is 0. Yes, we're all aware. And guys, the Coinbase issue has been talked about, and it's being resolved. Everybody relax. It's going to get back up. They said funds are safe. It showed your balance, then it left. Funds are safe right now. This is coming out of Coinbase. But again, this is something that is an ongoing issue when we get into these crazy bull runs, guys. We see this happen time and time again. Coinbase support, again, 12 minutes ago. We are aware that some users may see a 0 balance across their Coinbase accounts and may experience errors in buying or selling. Our team is investigating this and will provide an update shortly. Your assets are safe. And we are tracking the status of all of this as well. We've got that on lockdown. We're refreshing that. We're here for you guys. Make sure you guys stay locked in. This channel is always here, breaking news, especially when the bull market hits. We're always here. We're ready to go live. We're ready to bring you guys up to speed on what's going on. So with that being said, getting a lot of new people here on the stream. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if we're meeting each other for the first time, welcome. My name's Zach. Been in crypto since 2020, learning and navigating these waters together. This is something we know all too well about, though. Coinbase outages. It sucks. It does suck. And this is a reminder, don't keep the bulk of your crypto on centralized exchanges. If you're not actively trading that crypto, get your crypto off the exchange. Get it on a NanoX. Get it on cold storage. Get it even in DeFi and MetaMask at least. At least then you own the keys and you have control and you can transact during these time periods. Right now, you can't transact if you have all your money in Coinbase, right? My Coinbase is still stuck as well. Luckily, again, I wasn't actively trading here today on it, but still sucks nonetheless because I know a lot of people maybe were actively trading and now they can't make the moves that they wanted to make. So appreciate you guys for checking in. We're here for you. We're here. So we're getting reports that Coinbase is glitching a little bit. If you guys would hit the like button for us, definitely helps us push this out. We want to get more and more people in here as we're breaking this down, talking about it in real time. Subscribe to the channel too. We're getting a lot of new folks in here. We've got you covered when it comes to breaking crypto news. So my homepage is coming up now. Before, my balance wasn't showing at all. Now my homepage is coming up, but the balances are still very glitchy. It's still saying 0 on my end. Okay. Again, transaction said it went through. I just sent some money about an hour and a half ago. Finally got an email 5 minutes ago. Still all zeros on the balance sheet. But they are talking about how they are working through this. They're dealing with the issue. And we're here for you, breaking this down, giving you guys up to speed information on the Coinbase issue, but also just across the board here as it relates to this overall market. It's been a wild, wild day here and a wild week. I mean, this has just been insane, but it's exciting and we're here. All right, so it looks like we might have an update here. We might have an update on the Coinbase status here. Okay, no, nothing yet on my end. Nothing yet on my end. My money is back. Okay, let's see. Let's see if my money is reappearing here. I'm going to close out Coinbase, just relaunch it here. Just going to relaunch it. No, I don't want CoinMarketCap. I want Coinbase. There we go. So my assets balance is not showing up yet. So some people reporting their money's back. 0, then back, then 0. It's obviously still got issues. You know what? It might be a mobile thing too. I'm looking at desktop here. Let me look at mobile and see what I got. And if the $4,000 that I sent is actually showing up too. No, my balance still 0. My balance is 0. Still 0. For those of you guys just checking in, Coinbase is aware of the issues that are going on. You may see a 0 balance. They're saying that your funds are safe. They're working on the issue. You may also experience delays in sending or receiving crypto. It took me 2 hours to get an email receiving USDT in from MetaMask. Still haven't seen that show up on the balance. They say they're working through that as well, okay? I think I missed a super chat too. I apologize. Whoever sent the $2 super chat in, thank you very much. If you guys want to show your support for this live stream, because we're here for you every step of the way, you want to give us support, you want to show us support, no need to give us a super chat. Just give us a like button, smash, and a subscribe to the channel, because we want to be here for you every step of the way in this bull market, guys, as we're continuing to navigate these crypto waters together here. So just subscribe down below. Join up with us here. We're here breaking news for you all the time in the cryptocurrency space. We've been here since 2020. We're doing our best to give you guys all the information you need to make better decisions in crypto. Where's my money? Yeah, I know. I'm wondering the same thing. Look, it for a reason. To people get scared and sell both. Prices dropping. Right now, prices are kind of hovering. Bitcoin's at 60,500. Down 4% in the last hour, but still up 6.5% on the day. It's just been a wild, volatile, crazy, crazy day. Bitcoin got as high as 64,000 today. Wild, absolutely wild. Bitcoin is selling off a little bit because we went from 64 all the way down to 58, back to 62, and right around 60.5 right now. So we are tracking this pretty closely, guys. Everybody asking me now to check my balance here. Let's see. Let's see if it's refreshed. I still do not have any balances appearing on my Coinbase. Some people reporting their money is back. I still do not have anything showcasing that. Let's see here. I don't think we've got any new information here. I mean, here's the thing, though. This can't happen every time Bitcoin goes on a run. And that's I just responded to Coinbase's tweet. People are piling on there, and this can't happen every time, though, right? This cannot happen every single time that we have, you know, a Bitcoin rip event. I mean, every time Bitcoin goes up, this cannot happen. So we've got to figure this out. We've got to fix this issue. Okay, my balance is appearing. All my balances are there. My money's safe. Okay, my money is safe. Let's see if it stays that way. A lot of people saying it's glitching. So this is things I've been actively trading, so I've got it back in here. But who knows? You know, I had to readjust if you guys were wondering. Best suggestions to back up crypto. Well, this is what I use, guys. Right here, Nano Ledger X. There's a ton of different methods though. It's glitching. Refresh it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, mine's back out again. Now I know what you guys are talking about. Okay. So it's good that the funds are there for a second, though. It's glitching, but they are working on it, guys. If you guys are wondering, yes, we're all aware of what's happening. We're all experiencing either delays in sending or receiving crypto and or not seeing your balances or seeing a zero balance. We're all experiencing it. We've got Coinbase telling us that they understand what's happening and they're working on resolving the issues. Right now, we're seeing a lot of glitches happen on the website. Your balances may appear, then disappear, then appear, then disappear. Immediately when this issue rose up, though, we went live. We wanted to be here for you guys at the forefront because when things like this happen, it happens fast in crypto. And we want to be here every step of the way and with breaking news. If you guys were with us back in 2021, we were going live sometimes for 4, 5, 6, 7 hours, breaking things down, making sense of it, being here together. So if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do so. We're here for you. We're ready to rock and roll. And it seems like the bull run is here. It seems like retail money is slowly coming back in. I'm seeing a lot of new faces coming into crypto. Listen, don't get too high. Don't get too low. Have a plan. If you don't have a plan yet for this crypto bull run, it is time right now to create that plan. Because when this market comes at you, it comes at you frickin' fast. And it will slap you upside your head if you're not ready for it. It happened to me. It happened to almost everybody who their first bull run was in 2021. If you're not ready for the bull run will eat your lunch and spit you out in the afternoon. That's what will happen. So get ready for this bull run. Have a plan with every asset you get into, guys. Also, have a plan for your security. You saw what happened with Coinbase today. It looks as if we're okay. Funds seem to be safe and all of that. But if you're trying to actively trade in this type of market and all your money's on Coinbase and you can't make the moves you want to make or sell when you want to sell, that's a problem. But having the bulk of your money over on MetaMask or over on a DeFi system, backed up on a ledger, look into it, do your homework, do your research, make sure you are equipped and ready. And the biggest thing is preparing yourself for what's about to happen. If you are not prepared for this crypto bull run, that's on you because you have time to do it today. Don't start tomorrow. Do it today. One thing I did coming out of the 2021 bull run, because I made a lot of mistakes in that run. Yes, we had some success. Yes, you could throw a dart and hit bullseye in the bull run. And everybody thinks they're a genius. But the one big mistake I had, and the big mistake I made over and over and over again in 2021, was not having a plan with assets I got into. Whether they're small cap, mid cap, large cap assets in the altcoin space, I didn't have a plan. And you never are going to know when to hit that sell button when things are flying at you fast and your emotions drive your decisions. When that happens, you make mistakes. you make mistakes. And we don't want to make those same mistakes. So what can we do to prepare? Have a profit-taking plan with every cryptocurrency you get into in this bull run. Every crypto that I have now in my portfolio, they all have a document that outlines my plan for that cryptocurrency. It has its own document for that specific crypto, and it's all documented. Now, why is this important? Why? Because it takes the guesswork out of it. It takes the guesswork fully out of the equation. Now I'm not using my emotions to make decisions at all. I am simply making the moves that are based on my previous exit strategy that I have outlined for every crypto that I get into. I don't have to think. I just have to act when prices reach certain levels. That is how you get ready for this bull run and not make the same mistakes that I made and many people made back in 2021. So I know we're talking about Coinbase in this breaking news, but I want to interject and give you guys some valuable information as it gets to this bull run and where we are right now. And don't get too high or too low. Be even keel. And the way you do that is you have a plan. You're just sticking to the game plan, right? If you don't have a plan, though, you're going to get high and low. Your emotions are going to run your decision making, and that is how you get wrecked. I'm telling you guys from experience, it happened to me. Don't let it happen to us again, to you and I. We're not going to do that. We're going to be prepared this time and take full advantage and build generational wealth for us and our families. That's what we're going to do this go around. So if you're in crypto right now, you're in it at the right time. If you're brand new to this channel, hit that subscribe button down there, hit that like button, join our family, join our unit. We're doing it together. We're growing together. We had a great run in 2021. We're looking to have a better run in 2024 because we're better prepared. All right. As it relates to this Coinbase issue, my balances are back at the time being. It looks like Coinbase might be good. Maybe. My balances are back, which that was pretty good. They got it resolved pretty quick. But this can't happen every time Bitcoin goes up. We've got to resolve this. But reminder, don't keep a lot of your crypto on centralized exchanges. Only keep crypto that you're actively trading over there on centralized exchanges. Because when this happens, you couldn't trade there for the past hour, hour and a half. Right? And my crypto's gone again too. What the hell? Okay. It's gone again. My balance is gone again too. Same thing. Coinbase is aware of the issues, guys. If you're just checking in, I want to make sure everybody's aware of this because people are bouncing in and out. The team is investigating this. You're going to see the balance go from zero, back in there to zero to back in there. The assets are safe. They're also experiencing big delays in transfers. When my money does show up, it's there. Bitcoin's selling off heavily right now. Bitcoin's selling off heavily. We're getting another big dump in Bitcoin here, down to 59,800. So I'm on the 3-minute chart here. Let me show you guys this. I'm on the 3-minute chart. XT Algo, our trading indicator, look at this. Flashed a momentum down in the 3-minute at 62,000. Would have been a great time to take your profits. This is why this tool is so important that I use, guys. It's XT Algo. This is my trading indicator. Listen, if you guys want to sign up today, the links are down below. Yes, I'm shilling my own company. Yes, I'm shilling my own product because it freaking works, okay? And you can be a hater or whatever. You don't have to buy it. I'm just telling you guys it's a great tool, okay? So look at this. XT Algo, at the end of this candle, flash momentum down right here. You could have got out there 57 minutes ago at 62,000, taking your profits if you're in a Bitcoin trade, and got out. But right now, selling off pretty heavily there. But again, XT Algo links are down below if you're interested. We're covering this Coinbase issue. So this is not it. This is it. So a half hour ago, we got the official report. They are aware that issue is showing zero balance. A lot of people having this same issue, guys. And this was the official report coming out of their website. So not only is it the zero balance issue, by the way, funds are safe. That's coming from Coinbase, but also experiencing delayed sends and receives, okay? But XT Algo, again, all over this thing. And look at that. Yeah, here's the news right here. Bitcoin hits 64K as traders anticipate new all-time highs before the halving. Insane. Bitcoin price rallies for fifth day, poised for biggest monthly gain since 2021. Absolutely crazy, man. I mean, who would have thought we'd be here right now? Absolutely insane. Still got zero balance over here. Yep, zero balance. Bitcoin still dumping off a little bit here. Let's go into the 1 minute. This was after we hit 64,000. In the 1 minute, guys, look at this. XT Algo flashed momentum down in the 1 minute, 63,000. This is where it's a trader's paradise to use this type of tool. This tells you right here, exit your trade. Momentum down at 63,000. Look at that. Actually, no, it's 62.8. 62.8 on the 1 minute. That was the exit strategy right there. If you were trading Bitcoin. Yeah, balances have been reappearing, coming back, going back in, coming back out. It's been happening a lot. Again, just want to give you guys a heads up. Thank you so much. We got so many new people joining us. We're trying to stay ahead of this market with all the news and information. We've been doing these live streams. We've got tons of new people subscribing to the channel. Thank you, everybody out there, people who've been here for a long time, been with me since, for 3 years, or brand new people. If you guys are brand new to the market, this is a channel where we're putting out content every single day. So we want you to join up, join with us. We're getting close to 127,000 subs, and we're just getting started. We're growing every single day. We're learning together, and we're navigating these crypto waters. We're trying to become financially free in this upcoming bull run. I think this upcoming bull run is going to be the biggest opportunity to build generational wealth we've ever seen in our lifetime, guys. I'm 34 years old. All I want is to see all of you, the people around me, super successful. That's what I want. I want all of us to create generational wealth for our families, for our friends, for our sons, our daughters, etc., etc. And I feel like this is the one asset class that's left for us to potentially make that generational wealth. It's the one asset class that's left that hasn't been fully manipulated, that's still new. This is the dot-com era, 20 years removed. This is the new dot-com era. It is the new asset class. It's the unknown. It's the crazy place where people go and people think you're crazy. But people only think you're crazy until you win, until you have success. And that is what we're trying to do here. That is what we're trying to build. That's why we've been learning and been invested in crypto since late 2020. And listen, do I have it all figured out? Absolutely not. I don't. But are we learning every single day? You better believe it. Are we more prepared in this crypto bull run than we were in the last one? Hell yeah. You better believe it. And we're going to take full advantage because why? We have a plan this time. With every asset we get into, we have a documented plan. Because if it's your first time in this market, guys, I'm telling you, if it's your first time in this cryptocurrency market, have a profit-taking plan. If you don't have one in place, make one for every asset you own. And do your research. Before you invest, understand what you're investing in. If it's a short-term asset, mid-term, long-term. And really dive in. The beautiful thing about cryptocurrency is it's a wide open space. It's ripe for opportunity. And you know what? Anybody can go from rags to riches. It's not like the stock market where you need millions of dollars in order to become successful. Guys, when I started in crypto back in 2020, I had nothing. The only thing I had was a job that paid me less than 50 grand, just under 50 grand a year, and I had debt. That's all I had. And I wanted a way out, and crypto has allowed me to get here. I'm finally at a point where I'm not satisfied, but I'm doing what I love. I'm here. I'm able to do this every single day with you guys. And it's just tremendous. It's unbelievable. And I'm so blessed because I guessed right on a couple big cryptos back in 2021. We started the YouTube channel. We started businesses. We were searching, trying to find the answer, trying to break through, trying to quit my 9 to 5 so I could do something like this. And we did it. And have we figured it all out? Have we quit and said, yeah, we know everything? No, absolutely not. We've continued to grow. We've continued to learn. We've continued to get better and better and better. And we're more prepared now than ever for this upcoming bull run. So if we're taking a look at Bitcoin right now, 60,200. It's been crazy volatile today. If we zoom into the 1 minute here, look at this. Absolutely crazy price action. That's the 1 minute chart. So this is where we spiked down to about 58 and some change. We are bouncing off of that pretty nicely, so that's nice. That is something, to watch here locally. Here we bounced down here, we wicked down, bounced off it nice. We are bouncing off that same level around 59, 2, 58, 8 in there. So we are bouncing off that pretty nicely. In terms of the Coinbase issue, we're still experiencing outages. So right now my balance is appearing. I don't know for you guys if it is or not. But right now my balances are appearing. Again, they're working on these issues. If you guys are just checking in for that news, we've been covering that as well. We're covering that. Let's see. Let's refresh this here. Okay. Let's see. This is new. We are aware that some users may see a zero balance across their Coinbase accounts and may experience errors in buying or selling. Team is investigating this issue and will provide an update shortly. Your assets are safe. Okay, so they took away the other status report, and that's still an issue too. That other status report that they took away is still an issue. That is the, how the hell do you say it? Delay in receiving and sending funds. Like I said, I sent a bunch of USDT from MetaMask to Coinbase. It took 2 hours for me to get the email. I was freaking out. And then lo and behold, I saw this issue was happening. That's where we went live. So we've been all over this. It seems as if Coinbase goes out quite a bit when Bitcoin goes on crazy runs. Let's see. It's back again. Yeah, it keeps going in and out. Keeps going in and out. So we are still monitoring the Coinbase situation, guys. Keeping tabs on it. Let's see. All right, let's see what else we got here. What's Bitcoin doing here? Yeah, Bitcoin's still bouncing back over 60,000. Hold on one sec, guys. Let me close this up. So there were some reports that some other exchanges were having some issues too. I don't know about that. I only have Coinbase that I really actively trade on. Mexi as well, but Mexi was in good shape. Welcome in everybody that's new, by the way. And if you're new here to the channel, consider subscribing. We've had a ton of new people join us here during these live streams the last few days. None bigger than this one because we've got the Coinbase issue happening. We've got Bitcoin fluctuating like crazy. But if you're new to this channel, new to crypto in general, great time to be here. You're still getting in before the Bitcoin halving. You're getting in before a lot of retail money, which I think is going to come in eventually. It just has not yet. Back in 2021, we had a ton of retail money rush in, And the institutional money wasn't here. The institutions were laughing at us. They were saying, oh, you guys are in that crypto thing. We don't want anything to do with that. That's stupid. Now it's the exact opposite. The institutions are driving all the money right now. BlackRock, Fidelity, and the retail money's not back in yet. You have to ask yourself why. Why is that happening? I wonder why. Right? Is it because of, just where we are with inflation? People have less money. Is it people that have a sour taste in their mouth and they're like, I'm done with that stuff, and they've just completely checked out? You feel for those people if that's the case, though, because if you just would have hung in there and stuck it out, Bitcoin went to 15K, but today it goes to $64,000. The all-time high, guys, is 69K. We just hit $64,000 today. And nobody cares. It's baffling to me. I don't get it. But you guys are here, so you care. That's what matters. I would highly encourage you guys to spread the message at least. Don't force people to get in or whatever. They're going to do whatever they're going to do. But get people interested in the idea of at least looking into it. So many people just write it off and they don't even know what's happening. All right. So in terms of the Coinbase issue, let me check what I've got here, if anything's new here. Let's see. My balance is showing right now, at least. So my balance is currently showing. But when you refresh and stuff like that, there's a lot of glitches happening. So far, mine is still showing. So far, mine's still showing up there. Any official word from Coinbase? Any new information here? Let's see. No, just the tweet 41 minutes ago. And to follow the status. So nothing new. Just 41 minutes ago, the tweet came out. They're working on it. It looks as if it's getting closer to being resolved because people's balances are appearing back up there. Mine keeps toggling on and then not, but now more on than off. Yeah, I'm with you, Boca. I'm refreshing here too, and mine's off now. But I was 3 out of 4. I was 3 out of 3 until I was 3 out of 4. Are you taking your money out of Coinbase? So when this whole thing happened with FTX, I took most of my money off of centralized exchanges. The only money I keep on centralized exchanges, and really it's Coinbase, is money that I'm actively trading. Is money that I'm literally getting in and out of things in a day or two at a time. Because otherwise you have to constantly move stuff from MetaMask to trade. It's not feasible. And you can quickly off ramp, obviously, when you're on a centralized exchange. But crypto that I'm holding long term, I do not hold on centralized exchanges. So that is very, very important. I think an important lesson for everybody out there. So many new people. Either use cold storage, like Potboiler had mentioned, and look into the differences, or you can use what's called a hot wallet or a ledger, something where you have control of your assets. I really like the Ledger Nano X. If you do decide to get a Ledger Nano X, make sure you go through the official website to buy it. Don't go through Amazon or anything like that. But that's a really important point, and that's one thing we want to do. One of the most important things is to educate people on this channel, and especially new people coming into crypto. So that is a very crucial thing to understand, the differences between centralized exchanges and holding your money off of centralized exchanges. So again, for me, money that I'm actively trading, which is a very small percentage, is on Coinbase. I'm not holding assets there long term. Yeah, Oliver, look into it. The Nano X for me, it works. I know a lot of people, they like some other ones, but for me, it's been a great one. And you can look at different reviews and things like that. But I really like the Ledger, the Nano. And I wish I had a coupon code or something where you can get money off, but I don't even have an affiliate deal with them. I should probably get one. But you can find some other YouTubers that have affiliate deals. So be on the lookout for that. A lot of really big YouTubers in crypto have affiliate deals with Ledger, and you can get it at a cheaper price. So I would look into that for you. if I were you. I wish I had one for you, but I don't. But many people have them. Guys, we're very, very close to 127,000 subs. We've been growing rapidly with these live streams the last few days. It would mean the world to me if you hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button here for us too. Definitely helps us out. And again, it's been awesome being with you guys every step of the way here. It's been a wild few days, and we're going to be here. We're here every day. Doesn't matter. Boring days. Today is a not so boring day, that's for sure. A lot going on. The Coinbase issue. My balance is back for the time being here. My balance is back for the time being. We'll see if it stays like that. Let's see. Any new word from them? No, just 45 minutes ago. What we got is what we got. Thanks, Zach. Appreciate you, bro. Roger, thank you, man. Thanks for being here. Thank you to everybody out there. People who've been here for a while, new people. You guys are awesome. You make this possible. And it's awesome that so many new people are starting to come in. I can feel it. It's shifting. It's changing. People are waking up. It took Bitcoin to go all the way to 60,000 for people to wake up. But hey, you're here. You're still here at a good spot. Keep in mind, too, guys, there will be pullbacks. There are still pullbacks in bull markets. It doesn't just go straight up forever. Okay? So once you get into the game, if it's your first time, first bull market, you'll see quickly in the 3, 4 month, 5 month stretch how the market works in a bull run. Now, if you're coming in just now, you don't know how the bear market, is, but we'll be educating you on that. We've been through it. We've been there and done it every step of the way now. We've seen every side of a bull and bear market. We've been here since late 2020. So we got you covered. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and we'll be covering all of that sort of stuff. I'll be highlighting a lot for you in terms of exit strategies for all the altcoins that I'm in. I've got a game plan with all of them, and I want to be creating content around that. And here's the thing. If you're brand spanking new, don't feel like you've got to dive all in on day one. Because I remember when I first started getting into investing, I felt like I had to put all my money in the pot and just get in there, right? Take it slow. You still have some time here. We haven't hit peak FOMO yet. We haven't hit peak bull run yet. We still have the Bitcoin halving coming in April. There are chances we're going to get dips from now until then still. Take it slow, but obviously get some skin in the game. You can start the dollar cost average. Find which sectors you want to focus on. That's really a big piece of it, I think. You can't focus on everything. It's impossible. You can't spread yourself too thin. Find the areas that you want to be really good at and focus in on those areas. For me in this bull run, it's AI, it's gaming, it's new layer ones, it's Bitcoin L2s, it's real world asset tokenization, different types in that, right? So I know it's still a lot, but I'm really, if I had to break it down into two, AI and gaming. And then the other things are kind of, branched off of that. But AI and gaming, I want to go as deep down the rabbit hole as I can go and get really good in those two areas and not miss out on a lot of opportunities in those areas. Because when the bull run comes at you, trust me, I was here in 2021. When the bull run comes at you, it comes at you fast. There's no time to think. There's no time to react. And if you're not prepared, you're going to be on an emotional roller coaster, wondering when you should take profits, wondering when you should get in, when you should get out. And it's wild. It's a mess. And you almost have to go through that. But I'm trying to tell you this now. You probably still are going to feel this and go through a little bit of it, but I'm trying to prepare you for it because that's what's going to happen. So the more that you can prepare yourself, whether it's doing what I did and creating a spreadsheet and a document for every asset, whatever you need to do to take the guesswork out of it, to take the emotions out of it, do that now. Denzite, how you doing, man? Member of the channel. Greetings from the Netherlands. Cheers, man. Thank you so much for being a supporter of the channel. Give us AI crypto recommendations. I've got a lot of them, man. I've got a lot of AI cryptos that I like. But I'll give you a few. Big cap, large caps. PAL AI, P-A-A-L-A-I. That is one we called at like a $5 million market cap. It just went to a $300 million recently, and I still like it long term here. PAL AI, the Graph, GRT. The Graph, GRT. PAL AI. Those are some larger cap plays that I really like. Fetch AI, FET, F-E-T. SingularityNet, AGIX. These are some of the ones, large caps. I made a little YouTube short. I think it's got like 70,000 views now on YouTube. I made it like 8 months ago. And I talked about the AI crypto sector and how I'm going all in and I'm trying to learn as much as I can. During that time frame, I invested in Fetch, AI, Ocean Protocol, some of the big ones. They're all up. They're all up. And the good thing is, I don't think we've even scratched the surface. This whole AI narrative is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And here's another thing you need to learn with bull runs in crypto. People love to speculate on what's new. People love to speculate on what's new, what's the shiny object, what's fresh. And what's new and what's fresh in this cycle? AI. AI is going to be one of the main narratives in this bull cycle. People love to speculate on what's new. If you go back to what happened, Michael, shout out to you, man, becoming a member on the channel. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. If you go back to what was new and what that narrative was, what was it? One of them. There were a lot, but one of the big ones was metaverse. And go look at some of the metaverse coins and how much money people made. Now, some of those metaverse plays are still around, Sandbox, Decentraland, but some of them you don't know. I mean, no matter what, people are going to speculate on what's new. Have a profit-taking plan. Pick out those sectors. For me, AI and gaming, 1 and 2. Render's another great one. I love that one as well. When should we exit? Jeff, that's what I'm talking about. That's what you have to decide on every asset that you get into. And that could be different for every asset. I think you should have a game plan, a goal with every asset you're in. And you should have an exit strategy specifically designed for that asset. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm building right now. Getting ready for this bull run. So that is something I think is super, super crucial, super, super important. And I'm waiting to see, hold on guys, I got to send a message real quick. I'm still here. So the Coinbase issue, let's see here. Yeah, Boca, I know I have a thing to get to at 2. I just asked Jason if we could push to 2:30 because this live stream's too good and I want to stay here with you guys. He rescheduled on me yesterday. Maybe I can reschedule on him today. I don't know. We'll see. If I got to jump, I got to jump. But I do want to do that interview. But I don't want to miss out on this too, because I think this is really probably even more important. What we're doing right here, right now, with all these people that are, a lot of them are new. We got some new members joining. Appreciate you guys. Are you sure about Ledger Nano X after what happened? Crypto, I know that there's been issues with a lot of that. It's been good for me, okay? Do your own due diligence. It's been good for me. There's another good wallet out there. What the heck's the one? It starts with a T. Treasure? Or, let's see. Yeah, let's see. The Ledger's still up there as one of the best. Obviously, I use MetaMask too. That's a hot wallet. Cold wallets. SafePal's another good one. You know, on the hot wallet side of things, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, 1 and 2, basically. Exodus is best for desktop. Exodus wallet. But I really like Ledger for a hardware crypto wallet. The Ledger Nano, either the S Plus or the X. I think, you know, those are all solid. Oh, Tangem. That's the one I was thinking of. Tangem. I've heard really good things about Tangem too. Appreciate all the new people subscribing, new people coming to the channel. It's been awesome getting to hear and meet some of you, and I can't wait to hear even more about your journey here. I'm sensing a lot of new people coming in. If you guys haven't subscribed, definitely consider doing so. Obviously, you can do so down below there. Hit that subscribe button and be with us every single day. We're grinding every single day for you, trying to bring you up to speed on everything. Coinbase did this on purpose. This happened before. It is weird, right? That it happens all the time when Bitcoin rips. That's why I said on Twitter, I responded to that tweet, hey, this can't happen every time Bitcoin goes up. It's ridiculous. You know? That can't happen every time Bitcoin goes up. But you just never know, right? My account came back as well, yeah. My account came back as well. Let me record this. Let me put this back in here. So it looks like Coinbase issue might be resolved. Maybe, hopefully. Looks like it could be fully resolved. Have they sent another tweet out or anything? Let's see. No other official word. So they've also said that there's help center delays. They're aware that some users may experience increased latency across help.coinbase.com, resulting in longer than normal wait times and or the inability to open a new support chat. Team is working on that to fix it and will provide an update as soon as possible. So a lot of people probably hitting the help center up saying, hey, where's my balance? But a lot of you guys probably figuring that out right here on the stream and other people mentioning it, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah, so it looks like my assets are staying, though. It's not glitching out right now. My assets are staying up. Are you guys as good? How's everybody's assets on Coinbase? Let me know in the chat. All charts shows same big dip at the same time. It was weird. Yeah, very, very odd. We've seen that a lot, though, because the retail money has not really come back. We've seen that a lot. I'll tell you another one. Go back on October 23rd of last year, and you tell me what happened that day. Every chart exploded. Every major chart, October 23rd, 2023. Very weird. But yeah, there's certainly manipulation happening. Always. Miner there. All back, guys. Miner back up. Yep. A lot of people's are back up. That's good to see. Okay. For now, yeah. We'll hang in there and see if that stays that way. Hopefully it does. I may have to jump in a few minutes, guys. We'll see. I'm waiting to hear back from Gala Games president to see if I can maybe hang out with you guys for another half hour or not, because this has been awesome. I'm trying to hang out with you guys a little bit longer. But we'll see. I might have to go to an interview. I was supposed to do the interview yesterday. He rescheduled because Gallo was doing some, obviously, it was pumping. Their decks came out yesterday. But I do want to talk to him about that. So can't wait for that interview. Make sure you guys check out that video when we post it on the channel. My Coinbase account finally back up to normal. This, it says this helps to sell ETFs. Yeah, interesting. Well, you can still buy Bitcoin off of exchanges too, right? What a wild, wild day though, huh? Where's the price of Bitcoin right now? Take a look at that real quick. Price of Bitcoin. Let's see where we're at here. Trying to come back up here. We are reversing a little bit. Just shy of 61,000. We spiked up to 64K today. Should we sell or hold Bitcoin? It depends what your goals are. I mean, did you buy at 15,000 and did you create a plan when you bought then to sell at 60? If you did, you wouldn't be asking. You wouldn't be thinking about it. This is what I mean. Have a plan in place. If you don't, now you're asking, what should I do? What? And I'm not, I'm not coming at you or talking down to you. I made those same mistakes. I'm just saying that is what you need to do. Like, what is your goal? My goal is to stack Bitcoin until 2030. So I'm not looking at Bitcoin in that way. It's not the same with altcoins. There are many altcoins that I'm in right now that I'll be out of completely by 2025. As long as they hit the targets, right? But that's what I'm saying. Like, you got to have those things in place because otherwise you're not going to pull the trigger. You're going to be asking the question. You're going to be beating yourself up, asking when the heck should I sell? What should I do with this, right? So it looks like the issue's been resolved, guys. My balance has been up. I think I've refreshed it like 20 times. So it looks like Coinbase is all good to go. I appreciate you guys hanging out with us, breaking things down. Hopefully you got some more value than just that news. We try to interject there and bring you guys up to speed. If you did, if you got value, haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to the channel. We're here every single day helping you guys navigate these crypto waters, doing the best we can, and we're learning. We're getting better. We're way more prepared than we were back in 2021. I'll tell you that. We're way more prepared to take advantage of these markets, and Bitcoin just crossed over 61,000. So there you go. We're bouncing back up. Still up 7% on the day. Yeah, the 5-minute chart, we've been bouncing for the last half hour. We bounced off of 59 and some change for the last half hour. So we're trying to make another push here. Trying to make another push. So really do appreciate all the new people subscribing, new members. Shout out to everybody out there. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, Bitcoin is coming back up here. It's making a little run here. We're making a little run. Love to see it. All right, let's see here. Coinbase is back up. Yeah, it looks like Coinbase is all back up, ready to go. Definitely something fishy with Coinbase just now. Yeah, it was weird. I mean, but it's happened before. And it seems like it always happens when the market's pumping, which it's weird. But this is why you don't hold a ton of your assets here. Like, you don't hold your long-term assets on any centralized exchange. Because when they have these little hiccups or technical issues, etc., your funds are kind of locked and you can't move them. I use the Ledger Nano X. And I use MetaMask. And I also use the Arculus wallet. Wait, when new office set up? Well, it's funny you say that because I'm actually moving into a condo. I'm going to set up an office there too, but I eventually want to do some more of things back in here too. But yeah, we're gonna have I think we're gonna have a cool setup of at the home office once we get that all set up. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump. Actually, you know what? I could stay for a few minutes here. Do you have any other? We got some people here. Any other questions? Let's do a quick Q&A until I can. I might have to jump. The president from Gala Games has not joined my stream yet. We're supposed to meet at 2, so we'll see if he joins. If he joins, I'll jump. But in the meantime, what kind of questions do you guys have? And if you guys want to get back to the channel, you guys hit that subscribe button. That helps out a lot. How long did the last bull run go for? Well, we had the Bitcoin halving in April of 2020, and the top of the market was November 2021. So if history repeats itself, we could be running until November 2025. There you go. When will Coinbase be up? Time frame. I think it's back up. So Coinbase should be back up and running. Every time I refresh, my funds are showing now. That's been the case for the last 20, 30 minutes. So you should be okay. On the mobile, it looks like the mobile is showing too. Yeah. Yeah, we're all good there. What else do we got? You see the balance, but it's not letting you transfer out. Okay, it's still not letting you transfer out. I haven't tried to transfer out. Is that the case? Here, let me try to transfer a little bit of this USDT. Let me see if I can sell a little bit. I want to make sure I get to some of these questions here. I'm getting out after Easter 2025 no matter what. There you go. That's a good plan to have. You can't transfer out. Cold storage, like cold wallets. People, it's basically the most secure way to store your cryptos, private keys, because it's offline. It's not hot. Hot means it's online. So you basically transfer the keys to an external device that's not connected to the internet. So a lot of people will hold, especially if they have a lot of Bitcoin or something like that, on cold storage. Ledger Nano S Plus is cold storage. When should we start transferring our coins to exchanges? When you want to sell or when you want to actively trade. That's it. You have to get it to an exchange to offload your crypto, but that's the only time. Sorry, guys, I got to send Jason Brink the invite for our meeting. And I'm probably going to jump because I think he's ready to go here. Let's see here. Boom. Just sent. And I am ready now when you are. Just have another meeting at 3. All right, guys. So Jason's probably going to be joining me. So we will have the Gala Games video up later. Let me see if I can answer anything else real quick. Wagme Games doing great right now. Funds are showing but not available. My money is back. Yeah, the money is showing up. Can't buy things yet, though. Never limit your trading time one platform, guys. If you utilize other platforms, outages can be circumvented. Never seen an outage in a DeFi sense if you're trading on swaps. Yeah. LEPOW wallet looks good. It's got good reviews. I have never used it, though, personally. Coinbase did it. They ruined the day. They kind of did. They kind of did ruin the day here. So Coinbase balances are showing, but it doesn't look like... Balances are showing, but it doesn't look like you can move funds. Is that what I'm seeing? I like the Tangem wallet. I have never used it, but I've heard really good things. A lot of people really like it. I've heard it's super easy to use. Connection trouble. We're working on a fix. Please try again later. So that's what happens when I go to sell. So we're still getting connection issues. No, Fong. Nothing happened with my ledger. No, all assets are safe there. All good. We're just dealing with the Coinbase issue. The issue with cold storage, time is a problem. Yeah. Like till you transfer to an exchange and to your seller, the price will wait for you. It does take longer to move the money around. Yeah. But I mean, if you're holding it long term, it's probably not going to fluctuate that much, comparatively. But in U.S., Coinbase is still not showing, allowing to sell as of now, right? So for cold storage, the Ledger Nano S Plus. There's a lot of them out there. I also have a Arculus, Arculus. I got that one for free actually at the Bitcoin event in 2022. AI coins, there's so many of them, man. I'm going to do a video, though, going over all my AI cryptos, so make sure you guys are subscribed. I'm going to go over my whole AI portfolio. I'm going to do a video on that. I've got it written down. I don't know exactly when I'm going to get to it. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. But subscribe and don't miss out on that one because it's going to be a longer video. Might even do a live stream with that. So you don't want to miss out on that. That will be a fun one. Whoa, yo, what's up, Zach? What's going on, everybody? I'm waiting on the Gala president to show up here. And Yeah, we're going to do our thing. I probably could keep this live stream running. And you guys could just, do you guys want to see the live, you want to see me interview the gala president? I guess I could. Didn't think about that. I'm just recording it. I guess I could keep you guys on. So as people come in, you're just going to have to let them know that, yes, we've been talking about the Coinbase thing, but Zach's interviewing that I'm interviewing the president of Gala, because they're going to be all confused. So when Jason comes in, then we'll be here. Yeah, you bet, man. Happy to share as much information and knowledge as I can, man. My Coinbase payments are unavailable. Yeah. All right, I got to get myself situated a little bit for this gala interview a little bit here. All right. So let's get ourselves situated. Jason recently tweeted this. We're going to ask him about this too. If you thought of Gala as only a gaming token, you are missing the bigger picture. Gala summer is coming. Tech is rolling out, and it's rolling deep. So that'll be interesting. Definitely still not up all the way. Can't sign in. So I could sign in. I could see my assets, but I can't move anything. Let's see here. Let me see. Sell. Yeah, still getting connection trouble. We're working on a fix. Please try again later. I'm going to tweet this out too. Just because. So yeah, I just tweeted it. That's the alert on Coinbase I get when I try to sell. I just tried to sell a little bit of USDT and it didn't go through. It just gave me that alert that I just posted. Keep it live. All right, we could probably keep it live. Let's see. We got 80% on the phone, so I'm gonna have to put. I'm gonna put the. Should be good there. I'm gonna put this back. Put this back on the charger. My laptop. We got to put the mic on, get ourselves situated here, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, you're not going to be able to see Jason. You'll be able to see me, and it's going to be like a 20-25 minute interview, something like that. So you get to see a little behind the scenes. Well, he just said, can we push it again? Actually, that's okay, because I am actually struggling today. From live streaming for 6 hours and last night. So now my next meeting is at 3 o'clock. If you guys want to meet my web designer for XTAlgo, you guys can stay here. And we'll do that. No. Actually, for XTAlgo, though, if anybody is using XTAlgo right now, if you would be so kind to write a review to our email, it's support@xtalgo.com. We've had 5 people give us testimonials. That's what I'll meet my web designer about at 3 o'clock. We're going to put more of those testimonials on the website because people are starting to send those in. and I want to get more and more of them. So if you guys are using XT, I know there's some people out there probably using it already. If you are, if you would, and if you haven't already sent in a testimonial, that would be awesome. So I'm going to work with my web designer here at 3 Eastern to do all that. So you guys are seeing a little behind the scenes of what this looks like. So the president of Gala Games, we're going to push the interview. So I'll let you guys know when we're going to do it. It's going to be soon. We're still going to get all the information we need. And a nice little summary of Gala and where we're at and what we can expect in 2024, etc. But right now, I guess we'll stay here for a little bit and deal with this Coinbase issue still. I still can't sell any of my assets. I don't know if you guys are... Did you guys see my tweet? Are you guys having the same issue? This is what I'm getting. Here, I'll show you. This is the alert I'm getting. When I go to sell a little bit of USDT, connection trouble, we're working on a fix. That's what I'm getting. That's the issue, or the alert, rather, that I'm getting. Yep. So, don't know what's up with that. Oh, we are very close to 127,000 subs. If you guys want to help us get there, we've got some new people popping in here who haven't subscribed yet. That would mean the world to us here on the channel. So we're getting really close to hitting that big milestone, 127,000. That would be awesome if you guys help us get there. And we're still kind of refreshing here what's going on with Coinbase. Nothing new on the status yet. Yeah. Nothing new on that front, on Coinbase front. Still the same old tweet. We haven't got anything new. Just a Coinbase support tweet, that's it. Which was over an hour ago now. I'm going to go ahead and try to sell some more Tether. Let's see what happens. Nope. Connection trouble still. Love the Suka hat. Yeah. So, here, check this out. Suka sent me a bunch of stuff today. Here. Show you guys. So, the Suka developers sent me some gear today. We've got a Suka hoodie. There we go. Been rocking with these guys for a while. Oh, look at this. I didn't even see this. We got a beanie. We got a Suka beanie, I think. Is that what that is? Or is this just a shirt? Oh, this is just a t-shirt. We got a Suka tee. Rock this at the gym. We got that. And then the logo on the back. So we got a Suka shirt. We got 2 Suka hats. Got the one I'm wearing. And we got this one here. A little different style. It's got the, you know, mesh all the way around. Got the Suka logo there. And we got a hoodie. There we go. Oh man, this ain't it. Okay, bye. See ya. Later. So that's what we got. There you go. There you go. Excellent, bro. Suka's the way. Yeah, Nat. Nat. It's pretty cool. Retail FOMO buy is happening right now. 66K push before midnight. You think? I had a couple people message me today. We're going to see 100,000 before the end of the year. It could happen. I mean, it's already we're blowing past expectations pre-halving here. I go back to Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy. They just looked brilliant the other day buying Bitcoin at the top. Yeah, the Coinbase money's there, except we just I don't think we can get it out right now. You know what? Let me try to convert. Yeah, we can't even swap. I was seeing if I could convert Tether to like cash. Can't do that either. So this is why it's important to learn about the differences between DEXs and SEXs, centralized exchanges and DEXs. It worked for me. Okay. So, Michelle, you were able to get money out? Laura and Alan, you poop. Yes, I poop like every other human being. Yes, we all poop. Yes. Yes, we do. Yes, it worked for me. Okay, going crazy. Yeah, the market is going crazy. It's been a wild day, to say the least. Bitcoin, I'm looking at it on the 3-minute here. Kind of consolidating here in the past 18, 21 minutes. Still sitting at about 61.2. Yeah, you just wonder, like, why is this crash happening? I don't know. It's tough to tell. I mean, on one hand, I feel like Coinbase could be really good for the overall space and be like that one place where you feel comfortable using a centralized exchange. But I think what we've learned in crypto so far is the best way to do it is on your own terms, own your own keys, and I mean, I think our funds are safe. Don't hear me wrong, but it's a shame that you can't actively trade right now on the platform. It's crazy. Let's see here. Any new word from them? I don't think so. Lost a $3,500 Bitcoin long profit in that. That sucks. How many times before SEC sues Coinbase? This is BS. They already have. I mean, they're already in a lawsuit. Coinbase acting scammy, LOL, abnormal situation. It's like selling people Rust and stuff like that. I wonder if Brian Armstrong has said anything. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Brian Armstrong. Brian Armstrong said, "We are dealing with a large surge of traffic. Apologies for any issues you encounter. The team is working to remediate." Every time there's a large amount of traffic, this is the issue, though. I mean, it's like, I will say this, though. Is this a sign that retail money is back? Because retail money, they use Coinbase. But this can't happen all the time during bull runs. It can't happen when Bitcoin flies up to 64,000, you know? You can't have this happening all the time. So I don't know how we fix it. I mean, we'll be here to break it down more and cover this stuff, guys. I think I'm going to close up the stream here for now. I got another call. I got to get on a meeting at 3. And but genuinely, really, guys, thank you guys so much. These live streams have been awesome. We're going to continue to do them. We're doing a lot of them lately. We're 30 subscribers away from 127,000. We've grown a lot in the last few days. Thanks to all of you. It means the world to me. And I'm so happy that I'm seeing new faces, new people coming into the market. Exciting times. This is an exciting time to be in crypto. Yes, we've had to deal with this Coinbase issue a little bit today. We'll keep you up to speed. Make sure you follow me on Twitter for all the updates and stuff like that. But all in all, it's been a really bullish last few days. And if anything, this highlights the importance of keeping most of your crypto off centralized exchanges, whether it's on a Nano Ledger X, cold storage, what have you. It's, again, another big reminder of that. And I appreciate everybody. I really, really do. We're also starting Twitter Spaces every Monday. Every Monday at 9 a.m. Eastern. Coffee. Not coffee and crypto. What are we calling it? Crypto Breakfast Club. Bring your coffee. Bring your donuts. Whatever. So we got that going on every Monday, 9 a.m. over on Twitter. Follow me over there, too, because we're tweeting all the time. Yes, I see Jasmine pumping right now. Got a video out on Jasmine, too. There's a reason for that. Some East Denver news popped in there. Love, life, and live. Thank you for the insight, liked, and subscribed. That's awesome. I'm thrilled. We're getting so many new people. So if you guys haven't subscribed, consider doing so on the way out. And we're going to keep growing, keep navigating these crypto waters. And, Dogecoin up to 11 cents, huh? Nice. It seems like retail money is coming back, guys. It seems like it's slowly coming back. And I can sense it. I can feel it. There's definitely a shift happening. And we'll be here for it. We'll be here for it every step of the way. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Until next time, smash the like on your way out, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And we'll be keeping tabs on this over on Twitter with the Coinbase stuff. I'll let you know when I can actually withdraw funds. Let me know too. We'll see you.